Hi, welcome to the Chinese Handwriting YouTube channel, Memorizing Characters. The most common Chinese radicals explained in English. In this video, let's talk about 草字头. Characters with the 草字头 are usually associated with grass or herbs. Grass-related. This radical is usually on the top side of a character. For example, apple, 苹果. Bud, 芽. Flower, 花. Bitter, 苦. Cha, tea. Medicine, 药. When you write 草字头 in cursive, you can write it like this. For example, 茉莉 jasmine. "茉莉"葡萄 grape. Grape 荷花 lotus. "草字头 grass or herbs related. 苹 apple. 芽 bud. 花 flower. 苦 bitter. 茶 tea. 药 medicine. 茉莉 jasmine. 葡萄 grape. 荷花 lotus. Please comment any other words or sentence with the Chinese radical 草字头. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.